Hello there, my name is Michael Maynard and welcome back to Gorilla Picking. Now, you are watching episode 5 of my Group 2 Safe Lock tutorial, and today, gentlemen, we get to see how the lock actually opens. And this is the next step of the stuff that I've been teaching you. We're building ideas upon ideas. And we are at the stage where we need to talk about a new part of the lock. This is the lever. This is the nose of the lever for very obvious reasons. And this part that sticks out across the wheels at 90 degrees to the lever, that is called the fence. Now, it is the fence dropping into the gates that decides whether or not this lock will open. And honestly, it could not be more simple. Now, what I've done there, I have dialed the combination correctly. We have got all 3 of those gates lined up. And if we had our lever in place here, the lever would be able to drop into that hole and something would be able to happen. I'll show you what happens in a second. On the other hand, let's say we get the 3rd number in the combination wrong. You can very easily see that the fence cannot drop in there. So it's only when we've got those gates aligned that the fence can drop in. Now, why would the fence want to drop in there? Well, for a very good and simple mechanical reason. Now, I am going to fast forward through putting this back together and I'll show you. Okay, gents, we have got that back together again. Now, if you are even remotely mechanically minded, you can see exactly what's going to happen when that nose there drops into that gate on the cam. So we have got the 3 gates in the combination wheel all lined up. We dial slowly clockwise. And remember, this is sprung loaded. There is a spring that wants to push that. There is a spring that wants to push this lever down if it can. We dial round here. The nose drops into the cam, so you've seen it just drop into that gate there. And then we keep turning. Click, and we open the bolt. That, gentlemen, is all there is to it. It is mechanically very, very simple. The thinking behind it, though, is very, very clever. Now, let's just go back again. Let's just dial back to where we were and get everything lined up again. Okay, so let's imagine that we don't have everything lined up. So let's say that we get the first 2 numbers correct, but the 3rd number we get wrong only just by a couple of numbers. Let's say it's round there. When the cam comes round, the lever wants to drop in. You saw that tiny little movement there. See that? But it wasn't able to because the gates weren't lined up. If, on the other hand, we had everything lined up, nose drops in, carry on turning, and we're open. All right, that is the basics of how this thing unlocks. What we are going to do with the next episode, gentlemen, is talk about this cool little thing here. That is called a relocker. It has a very interesting job to do, and if you look just here, you'll see that I've got a little bit of metal in there disabling the relocker at the moment. There's a reason for that. Come back for the next episode and you will find out what that reason is. My name is Michael Maynard and you are watching Gorilla Picking. Hi there guys, and thank you so much for watching the video that you've just seen. I would love you guys to be part of the Gorilla Picking team. So please subscribe, please comment on the video that you've just seen, please email me on gorillapicking@gmail.com. Please be part of the collaborative environment that is Gorilla Picking. Thanks for watching.